Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll be answering the age-old question: can I make money online? If you are like most people, you have probably wondered this at some point or another. Whether you are looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or hoping to make a full-time living from the comfort of your own home. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, but can you really make money online? Or is it all just a pipe dream? In this video, we'll dive deep into this topic and explore different ways you can make money online, as well as the pros and cons of each method. So, let's get started. The different ways to make money online. First off, let's start by talking about the different ways you can make money online. There are many, but cover the most popular and proven methods. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and expertise to clients in exchange for payment. Whether you are a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are many platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr that allow you find work and get paid. Freelancing is on the rise, and for good reason. Companies are looking for ways to reduce overhead costs, and freelancers offer a more affordable and flexible solution. Freelancers are able to provide specialized skills that companies need without added cost of a full-time employer. And with the rise of technology, freelancers can work from anywhere in the world, making it perfect choice for those who value freedom and flexibility. So, you are interested in freelancing but not sure where to start? The first thing you will want to do is identify your skills and determine what your service you can offer as a freelancer. Next, you will need to create a portfolio to showcase your work, so potential clients can see what you have capable of. Then it's time to start networking and building relationships with potential clients. There are plenty of websites and platforms out there that can help you connect with clients such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or service. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The product's owner makes a sale, the customers get the product they want, and you earn a commission for your efforts. How to get started with affiliate marketing? Getting started with affiliate marketing is easy, but it does require some effort and dedications. First, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about and find affiliate programs that offer product or service in that niche. Then, you need to build an audience by creating content that's valuable and engaging. Finally, you need to promote the products to your audience and track your results to see what's working and what's not. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses has become increasingly popular in recent years. Whether you are an expert in a particular skill or have a unique talent to share, creating an online course can be a great way to earn passive income. E-commerce. E-commerce has become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. The benefits of running an online store are vast, and including lower overhead cost, the ability to reach a global audience, and the convenience of being able to shop from anywhere at any time. Whether you are looking for sell handmade products or digital downloads, e-commerce offers endless opportunities to turn your position into profit. Getting started with e-commerce is easier than you might think. First, you will need to choose a platform to sell on. Shopify and Amazon are two of the most popular options, but there are many other platforms available as well. Once you have chosen a platform, you will need to set up your store, including adding your products, setting your prices, and designing your website. Once your store is up and running, there are a few things you can do to increase your chance for success. First, make sure your website is easy to navigate and visually appealing. Second, use social media and other marketing channels to promote your store and drive traffic to your site. Third, offer exceptional customer service to keep your customer happy and coming back for more. Now that we covered different ways you can make money online, let's talk about the pros and cons of each method. Freelancing. One of the biggest pros of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the projects you want to work on. However, freelancing can also be unpredictable and can be challenging to find consistent work. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income, but it requires a lot of effort upfront to build a following and establish credibility. Additionally, you will need to find the right products to promote, and you will need to constantly adapt to changing trends and preferences. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses can be incredibly lucrative, but it requires a lot of time and effort upfront to create quality content. Additionally, you will need to invest in marketing and promotion to get your courses in front of the right audience. E-commerce. Running an online store can be a great way to build a brand and earn passive income, but it can also be incredibly competitive. You will need to find the right products to sell, create a user-friendly website, and invest in marketing to stand out from the crowd. Online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to earn a little extra cash, but they won't make you rich. Additionally, many survey websites have strict requirements, and you may not qualify for many surveys. So, can you make money online? The answer is resounding yes. However, it's important to remember to make money online and requires effort, patience, and perseverance. There are no overnight success, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Ultimately, the key to making money online is finding a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Whether you are freelancing, promoting products through affiliate marketing, creating online courses, selling products online, or completing online surveys, there are endless opportunities to make money online. So, if you are willing to put in the work and stay committed to your goals, the internet can be a powerful tool for earning money and building the life you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.